Hello, crafty friends. So I wanted to pop on and just show you a quick walkthrough of a paper pumpkin. I know some of you may be on the fence. What is paper pumpkin? Meh, I don't need a card subscription. Oh, those are cheap products. I understand all of those and they're valid points. And sometimes I have those thoughts myself as a crafter. So I do subscribe myself to Paper Pumpkin every month, but I'm not going to lie. Some months, what's good about Paper Pumpkin, when I see the sneak peek, if I don't particularly think I'm going to like it, I may skip my month, right? Well, for this kit, which was January, so this is not available any longer, but I wanted to walk you through this. The only way you could get this is if you are a current Paper Pumpkin subscriber. You can purchase past kits if they're until there's none left, so while they're available. But a new Paper Pumpkin subscriber, until you subscribed, if this was available at that time, that's when you can purchase it. So right now, if you become a new Paper Pumpkin subscriber, your first box would be whatever that current box is. So anyway, this is the January 2025, which was called Hearts for You. And I want to show you how a Paper Pumpkin comes. So it comes in this fun box. You get to open it. We're going to just pass by the cards. I have them turned upside down because I don't want to show you them yet. And I didn't change this kit. There's lots of demonstrators out there that do lots of alternatives, and that is wonderful, and they're great. And sometimes I look for their inspiration as well, but I just want to show you how super easy it is to create these kits and everything that comes in it. So I used this kit and did not use any of my supplies. I was at a crop when I put this together, and I only used everything that came in the kit. So I want to show you how much is left. So it's not even a wasteful kit. So we did get some ribbon, and this is all that's left. So I saved it. I didn't throw it away because I wanted to show you. That's all that's left of the ribbon. Okay, so it's not wasteful, which I really appreciate. For some reason, I got an extra pack of these dots in there. These are what do you call those? Like the mini glue dots, the double-sided, but I got an extra pack. I didn't use many of those, but that's okay because I keep these. We all need them, right? I did get a sleeve of the 3D dimensionals, and I did use all of that. I didn't waste any. This was everyone used for the project. Have a few extra, and then always use that outline. I just cut it up with my snips. Okay, so let me show you, this was the kit that you would create, right? And I'll show you the cards that I made, but here's what you get. You get a nice diagram, super easy to follow, right? Here is card 1, kind of walks you through. It's basically self-explanatory, nothing's written. It's put your stamp on your block, stamp it in the ink pad, stamp your sentiment. Right? Take this stamp, put it on your block, put it in the ink pad, and stamp it in these three positions on that cardstock. Get a piece of twine. This is dimensionals. When you see that, when you see little dots, which isn't on this card, that is I'll show you that on another one, that is using the glue dots. And then it's showing you put your twine. Here's where you put your dimensionals, put your card together. Here's your stickers. Very, very simple, right? No words, it's all pictures. So this, when you see dots like that, that is the glue dots. Images like that, that is the dimensionals. All right, so it's just very simple. You have a ruler here, should you need that for placement, but that is great. So, and then I'm going through the items that you got. So here is the stamp set. These other stamps you did not use. I have to clean my stamps. I just wiped them off real quick, but I wanted to show you the stamps that were used. These are the extras for you to create more cards. And if you picked up the additional die set, I don't get the additional die sets. Some I do get, but I didn't get this one. Okay, because I have the Hearts of Elegance and I love those dies. But I love that heart, so that's going to be used a lot, and these are really great sentiments. So that is that. You do get a real red Stampin' Spot, and I like that because I don't have real red in the big ink pad yet. I'm still missing a few ink pads that I need. Here is the stickers. Now, this isn't waste because we made 9 cards, and 9 of these hearts are used for when you seal your envelope. You put a little heart here. So that shows you right there. So that's what, and I didn't seal, obviously, my cards, but then that would use all of the stickers. I think there might be one extra. They give you this insert because what a lot of people do is they buy CD covers, or they have other type of storage solutions, and that's for your stamp pad. For that, let me show you, I'll show you when I'm done what I do with mine. And then you get your dies. These were all the die cuts. You just pop them out. I just saved these to show you how super easy it was. So, and now let me just show you the cards because they really were easy to put together. And I love how they came out. Let me move all this out of the way. Okay, so you did get fun envelopes, all of the same. Okay, for the cards. So you got all your 9 envelopes. So this was one of the cards. You make 3 of each. I love those heart gems. That was my favorite thing in the kit. You know, we don't sell these. They're sparkle inside. I love those. And this is nice gold foil, such intricate. And there's 3D foam. Very pretty. And then you can add more to this card, right? If you wanted to add a real red layer and a white layer for your inside stamping. So that's one. This was a labor of love. I'm not going to lie. There was lots of these pop out. See all these heart. Look at all that dimension. I love that. We popped out each row of these, and then you had to put dimensionals. And then these are a few layers of those die cuts, creating some of a heart with the twine. So this was a fun card as well. And then this was that final card. Let me move this over a little bit. And this was where, this was that first card that I was showing you. I did the stamping. So these are 3 hearts that I stamped. Okay, and then you add some stickers. Then you add the other die with dimension. Stamp your sentiment. This is twine. They did 1 row. Maybe you'd have more twine left over. That's maybe why I used all mine, because I'm not good with making bows on twine, and they just had 1 with a bow, and I just wrapped it around 2 layers. So I did use a little bit more, but here's those elements again. And then this is popped up. These are just some dies that you pop out so you can see that second layer popping through. So this was a really fun paper pumpkin kit. So definitely watch your subscription. It's really good that you can pause it. But it automatically starts back up. So if that next month you wanted to pause it again, make sure you go in there and pause it, because you will just get that next box automatically. In your first subscription box, you do get an acrylic block, but then every box after that, they know you've been a first-time subscriber and you won't receive it. So this is truly crafting on the go. And a lot of these projects are really good. I mean, the quality of these card bases are awesome. Like any other card base we use, die cuts, these intricate dies, they're beautiful. Look at the shine on that. So if you definitely want to give a subscription box a try, you can do this month by month. You can make it cheaper by doing 3, 6, 9, 12. There's lots of subscriptions, but remember, it's a 2-part process. You purchase your paper pumpkin, whichever subscription you want. In your email, you're going to receive a code. You have to go to another site, the Paper Pumpkin site, to activate. Two-step process: purchase, then activate. Stampin' Up is going to be making that a 1-step process in the future, but for now it's still 2 steps. So don't forget to activate the code that you receive in the mail. All right, friends, have a great day. I wanted to come on and show you and walk through a paper pumpkin. Bye now.